Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from America's Bodycam, and the title of the video is When a Routine Traffic Stop Spirals into Chaos. Let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about, man.
On August 1st, 2023, around 10 p.m., a traffic stop was conducted after a vehicle was observed making an improper turn. The driver was found to be operating with a suspended license, became confrontational, escalating the encounter.
Hello.
Yes.
You have your ID on you? No?
What am I getting pulled over for, though?
You made an improper turn onto Arlington from 4th?
No, I didn't.
Okay. When you
wasn't even behind me. You was behind me going down Chittenden, and then you turned down there. You've been following me. You really hit a Yui because you...
Oh, boy. Here we go. Here we go. Come on, man. Come on, man. Responding like this is only gonna go downhill from here. I mean, I don't think the cop came off rude or, anything, and here you go, just spatting off at the mouth. Listen, you want to say as minimal as possible. You know what I'm saying? Like, sorry, I'm tired. But anyway, you don't want to say too much, and you already going into like accusing him. Like, you wasn't even da 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 da. Like, come on, here we go. You ain't gonna get no good response out of that.
You walked past my grandmother's house, and then you hit a U-turn for no reason.
Okay.
I'm going the speed limit. Like, I'm
Okay, I
did not hit no improper turn.
I didn't say you were speeding. I said you made an improper turn.
I didn't hit no improper turn. You didn't.
Okay, can I explain it to you, and maybe you'll understand?
You're playing with me because you pulled me over for no reason. I didn't do shit to you. You don't even know me.
I don't know you. You're right.
Right. So what did you even play with me for? And then you're following me from Van Everett all the way down here. Like, that is crazy. What are you following me for?
Okay. You don't have an ID on you?
No, I don't.
How old are you?
It don't even matter.
It does matter.
It don't, because you really was scouting too. Like, what did I do to you?
What's your name? What's your name?
Samarion.
How do you spell that?
S-A-M-A-R-I, Wyoming.
And your last name?
Peterson.
P-E-T-E-R-S-O-N? Alright. Do you have a license? Do you have a license? No?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Do you have a license?
That's a no.
She is 13, 15 years old.
Okay. Well, no, she doesn't have a license.
I'm ready to go.
Okay, just hold tight.
Because that's not like, what? And then I know it's never two cars.
It's never what?
Two cars.
It's almost always two cars. I don't even know why you got stopped.
That's what I'm saying. He don't even know why I got stopped. He said I made an improper turn. How are you on 4th? And then I'm on whatever street that is on Robertson, and you see me turn.
Where did you turn from?
From off. What's that street called? 5th? 5th Avenue. So how do you see me turn from 5th? You've been following me since Van Everett.
Which way did you turn?
I turned right.
You turned right?
Yes. Oh,
did you come all the way? What lane did you end up in? So you turned right on Arlington from 5th?
Yeah, can somebody call my grandma or something? I'm ready to go because I really see no point in sitting right here. Like,
okay, well you're being detained. This is a traffic stop. That's how that works.
I don't care because you've been following me. Motherfuckers been scouting. Like, I don't care. What is you talking to me for? Like, can you let me out the car or something?
No.
Get away from the car. Let me out.
No.
Yes.
If you get out, you're going in cuffs. Do you understand me?
I don't care because you are looking.
Is that what you want?
You know your phone like
Stop.
mine.
Just relax.
Y'all is irritating me. Y'all is irritating me because you looking for a reason to follow me. There's no reason why you're following me from Van Everett all the way up.
I don't know you.
I'm not
at all.
So it's about the man that was following.
Okay. Well, let me explain something.
I don't.
Oh my God. Yeah, this is gonna go south. It's gonna go south. You're gonna get your ticket or whatever, but there's something wrong with that license. Before he even check it, I already know, cause she like, do you have a license? I don't know. Which, whatever. Hey, you ain't supposed to help them in their investigation, but I don't know. I don't know, man. It's just, to me, I just think she came off very rude and she knows something is wrong. That's why she's acting out like that. She knows she hot. She knows she wrong. She knows she, you know what I'm saying? And that's kind of like when they start over talking, it's like, what are you trying to hide?
The calmer you are, the better it's going to work out for you, okay?
It's already bad. Like, what?
Why is it bad?
Because I'm getting pulled over.
Okay.
22, 15 to 22. Good.
Yeah, like you followed me in there. It's so-called a problem yesterday, and then I wasn't even outside yesterday. So you're looking for any reason. Any reason. Us is crazy, because you didn't pull up on me. I was at the hospital with my little brother. As soon as you see the car pull off, so you just scouting. You're just scouting at this point. You just want to.
I don't know anything about you.
That's a sergeant. He doesn't have time to scout.
I don't care. What do you mean? Why do you keep talking to me? If
Because
he's on my
I
side
can.
and he's right here, why do you keep opening your motherfucking mouth?
Okay.
You're laughing and shit like we won't fight or something. Do you want to work? Oh, okay. I thought that too. Shut the fuck up.
Did you just threaten to fight me?
I sure
threat?
did. Like what? Like what?
Go ahead and step out of the car.
Don't give a fuck. What?
Turn around, put your hands
Can you
behind
get off me?
Yep, you gonna get hit with that act right now.
you. Turn over.
Turn over now.
Roll over.
Thought it was a gang.
Now. Now.
Put your hands behind your back.
Just listen.
Bro, I'm listening to this bitch just hit me in my fucking mouth.
I don't want to hit you.
Yes, you did.
Don't grab. Are you guys
Girl, why are you talking to me? Look, and then you got my nails in this bitch. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
No, stay there.
Call my grandma. Call my grandma. Call my grandma. Call my grandmother. Call my grandmother.
Okay.
Get this lady off me.
Yeah, send her up.
And whoever just fucking grabbed me.
Did you just hear what the little girl just said? Because she is a little girl. I think when they were trying to see if she had a license or whatever, the passenger, she's like, she was 13 or 15 or something like that or whatever. But did you hear what she just said? She said, "Can I get out of the car?" Dude said, "No, stay there." She goes, "All right, well, don't shoot me." Come on, really? Don't shoot me, really? Come on, man. The cops they didn't do nothing wrong. They wasn't rude. They wasn't nothing. Your sister or whoever she is, the driver, was the one that was spatting off at the mouth. Like, come on. And then you gonna threaten the other officer? You done. You out of here. Like.
Put your hands behind your back.
Just listen.
Bro, I'm listening to this bitch just hit me in my fucking mouth.
I don't want to hit you.
Yes, you did.
Don't grab. Are you guys
Girl, why are you talking to me? Look, and then you got my nails in this bitch. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
No, stay there.
Call my grandma. Call my grandma. Call my grandma. Call my grandmother. Call my grandmother.
Okay.
Get this lady off me.
Yeah, send her up.
And whoever just fucking grabbed me by my hand like that, who is on me? Get this lady off me. Get this lady. Why did you let her grab me?
Stop.
Oh, my mama, get this
Let's go
lady
this way.
off me. I don't give a fuck. Get this bitch off me. Get this bitch off me.
Stop.
Get this bitch off me. Why did y'all let her grab me like that? The fuck? Bro, come on, mom, bro, let me go. Fuck, you busted my fucking lip, bitch. You're weird as hell. Why do y'all keep grabbing me from different positions?
Because
Fuck, y'all making my arms
I don't
hurt.
care, just put her in a car.
The hell y'all pulling me from two different ways? Bitch, what you want me to do, a split? Like what?
Just listen.
Y'all keep
It's not
saying
that hard.
listen, but y'all let her kick me and shit.
No one's
y'all
kicking
smacking you smack my fucking mouth on the fucking concrete. Like what?
All right, she's got it.
Yeah, I'm good.
Take a seat in the car.
Can't even rub my lip. My motherfucking lip hurt. Call my grandma.
Why?
Call my grandmother.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why are you
Because I'm
being so
19 years
difficult?
old. What? Call my grandma.
Yeah,
How
guess
old
what?
you?
You're an
Y'all old
adult.
enough to be my fucking mom. I guarantee you.
You're an adult.
I don't care. Call my grandmother.
Okay. We'll call her when we get a second.
Call my grandmother.
Why are you being so difficult?
Cause you just fucking busted my lip. What?
Did you not threaten to fight the other officer? And then
Yeah,
when you
cause
got out,
you talking crazy to me. Quit talking to
I
me.
told you to put your hands behind your back and you pulled away and squared up?
Who squared up? What my
You
mom
did.
say I squared up? Don't you
on
got a body
video.
cam on?
Yeah, it's
What
on
my
her.
mom say I squared up? Oh man,
Go
what?
put your foot
On
in.
my dead brother foot, bitch, I ain't square up.
Put your foot in. Put your foot in.
Call my grandma.
Yeah, I have her.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.